Hello and welcome back. In this video I show you how to pixelate faces in images using Affinity. Let's start from scratch. Here in the Layers panel you can see that it's a JPG. To pixelate it, click on the Filters icon and then select Pixelate further down. A window will then open where you can set the pixel size. At the end of the video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using a brush, so be sure to watch to the end. It's really important to enable Preserve Alpha so that no outline appears. Once you're happy with the result, you can close the window. And here in the Layers panel, you can see that you can turn the filter off at any time. And if you click on the pixel icon, you can adjust it again at any time, as it's non-destructive. And that's what I absolutely love about Affinity. Now I'll show you how to pixelate specific areas, such as faces. To do this, select the Selection Brush tool. Then select the part you want to pixelate. Up here, you can also subtract a specific area. And you can also adjust the brush size and other settings. Then, just as before, you can select the pixel filter and choose the intensity you want. To remove the selection, simply press Ctrl+D or Ctrl+D on Windows. If you want to remove the pixel effect completely, you can do so using the Delete key. And now I'll show you the easiest way to do it using a brush. To do this, we select the Filter Brush tool and choose Pixelate. I'll increase the brush size a little. Now I'll draw where I want the pixelation to appear. You can also pixelate several areas at the same time. And as before, it's non-destructive, so you can adjust everything. And that's it. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe buttons.